What is going on here, folks? For our channel here, folks. Roe versus Wade's. Wow, okay. What is going on? We are live here, doing another live stream. Got some stuff to be talking about here today. Uh-oh. I knew this was gonna happen. Hold on. My title is uploaded wrong on YouTube, so I gotta change it real quick for my live. It's showing the last stream's title, or like 2 streams below that, actually. So, let me get this fixed. Oh, I kind of know why. Maybe it was because there's too many characters. There we go. Alright. So, is cryptocurrency mistaken for stocks? Crypto is a commodity, not a security. We're going to be talking about that here during this live stream. We're also going to be talking about some stocks today. Hellbiz went up 73% today. Yeah, Hellbiz is going nuts. Yes, I got some Hellbiz. Been trading. Had 2,500 shares. I'm down to 500 now. I did take some profits, but I'm not going to be selling anymore for a while. The reason why I'm taking profits, I mean 100% returns. I mean, you gotta take 100% returns in these type of markets. Sorry, my glasses are all fogging up. Yo, Dapp, what's up? What up, guys? If you have any questions, you got any crypto, any NFTs, any stocks you guys are getting yourselves involved in, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to take a look at them. I'm always looking for the next 10x gainer. Where's my 10x gainers at? What's up, guys? I wouldn't be getting too excited yet, guys. Even though things are looking really good right now market-wise. It looks like we're finally getting this recovery rally that we've been anticipating for like months now. But I wouldn't be going all in just yet, folks. I've been doing some trade. I made some profits this week. Both in my crypto and stocks. Crypto's doing really well the last week. I'm up just today. I'm up 6% today. Up 11% for the week. For the month, still not that great. Not as good as I could have been. I made some bad trades, but overall, getting things back up. Finally, they turned the money printer back on, it seems like. Yeah, buddy. We are live on YouTube and Twitch. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. It's completely free to subscribe on YouTube. That's weird. What's going on with my Twitch chat? I don't know. I see people getting onto YouTube. Let's see the YouTube video. There you go. Make sure to like, subscribe. Yeah, it looks like we got people on YouTube. What up? Yeah, remember, guys, YouTube and Twitch, folks. You guys can find the Twitch links down in the description. So let me go ahead and start getting right into it. Let's get right down to the business, shall we? So yeah, SEC Crypto Clampdown puts digital asset industry on notice. Wall Street's top cop has been using traditional finance rules to police the industry. So everybody knows by now who Gary Gensler is. He's the head of the SEC. He's been attacking cryptocurrencies, saying almost all cryptocurrencies are securities except for Bitcoin. Only Bitcoin is not a security. Everything else is basically what he's trying to say. Well, what if he is wrong, guys? What if he's wrong? Because think of this. The SEC has been established for the Securities Exchange Commission is for securities. It is for stocks. Stocks was invented, what, 100 years ago, maybe even longer. We started doing stock trading in the early 1900s. SEC was created for that, for stocks. But we cannot be applying these traditional methods and for these traditional security stocks and try to apply them on cryptocurrencies that are not the same thing. Now, of course, there is some exceptions, guys. He may be right. There might be some shady crypto projects out there that do all act like securities. They have no utility or use case. They're only there to make money. They're only trying to raise capital. So it's kind of like, what's the purpose? What's the utility? And, how are they doing it? And that's kind of like the test they're going to have to test on all of these. But I think they're going to come to find out, especially with the XRP lawsuit, it is not looking too good for the SEC right now. There might be a chance that it might actually, like, the whole SEC could be dismantled. In fact, there's been reports. Oh, man, I can't find the link now. But there was, I saw, let me see. There was a petition to have Gary Gensler resign. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Gary Gensler petition to resign. It had over 25,000 signatures on it. Petition, Gary Gensler must resign, change.org. That's got 3,662 have signed that out of 5,000. Yeah, so people are not too happy with the SEC right now. A petition to fire the SEC, it is ongoing. People are getting mad. They are rising up, especially from the XRP investors. Like, they feel like SEC is doing nothing but hurting their investments. The SEC is supposed to be there to protect investors, not hurt them. And the XRP investors feel like they're being hurt right now by the SEC because they're going after XRP, claiming it's a security, without actual having overwhelming evidence that it's not. And then on top of that, you have the ETH scandal, where they are picking favorites. They're choosing, saying ETH is okay, it's not a security, but we're going to go after XRP, even though they pretty much are done pretty much the same thing. Like, history records are pretty similar. And then on top of that, guys, we mistake cryptos. The reason why we're mistaking cryptos as securities is because we graph them, we chart them, we look at the pricing of it and the historical prices of its value. So we mistake that as being a stock. In fact, I remember way back in the day when I started talking about Bitcoin, I started telling people, hey, look at this Bitcoin. Like, look at that. Look how much. They're like, what is that, a stock? Because they see a chart, and they think because they see a chart, like a price chart, it automatically makes it a stock. Well, that's not true at all. In fact, they have price charts for everything. They have price charts for a lot of commodities. They got price charts for gold, silver, copper, you name it. They got price charts for NFTs. Look at this, Bored Ape Yacht Club. You can't say Bored Ape Yacht Club is a security, can you? It's an artwork. It's digital artwork. Look, this is the chart for the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is all time. This is max chart. So yeah, look, 90 days. It's been going down. Look at all year. Or max. This is from August 18th, 2021. It's basically a year. Yeah. So there's your 1 year chart, guys. Wow, look at that. Pricing was around 15 ETH in August 2021. It's been going up, but hasn't the ETH price have gone down a lot? So dollar amount, this chart probably looks a little here. Let's do USD. So here's the USD chart. So yeah, USD looks a little worse, but it still doesn't look too bad overall. But yeah, this doesn't make this it does not mean just because we're charting the price does not make it a security. So I think we are in this dilemma right now where people are mistaking cryptos as securities, or trying to regulate crypto securities when they should be regulated as something else. Something a good point here on cryptonews.com. Professor warns SEC that it is moved against Coinbase is a serious mistake. So obviously, guys, the SEC is going after Coinbase. It's going after all these exchanges, going after all these cryptos. A former advisor of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has warned that the agency may be making a serious mistake if it proceeds with the probe into Coinbase and other major crypto exchanges. As reported, the SEC is reportedly set to move ahead with the investigation into Coinbase over the listing of crypto assets that claims classifying as unregistered securities. And the exchange appears to have an ally in G.W. Barrett, an associate professor of law specializing in securities and finance. And in his opinion, he said, this is what he wrote, the SEC's position, the most tokens are securities and must register of face enforcement is obtuse. It is also an approach that works to benefit of the scammers and hucksters who have abused the crypto space. He claimed that innovation required a rethinking of federal security laws, a law that has been in place since the 1930s. So yeah, we're making this point. Like, all of these regulations on securities are old school. Like, they are hundreds of, 100 years old. Like, why are we applying these traditional methods to new products? BitBoy Crypto, look what he's got to say. He says XRP case has broken the SEC. He's going as far as saying, they're going to be creating a whole new sector for crypto. Now, like, they're going to say SEC is not going to be in charge of handling crypto. They're going to create its own new thing. Let's see what he's got to say here. Let me pause this real quick.
Another kind of process where you're looking at this regulation coming in, and then they're looking at going ahead and making this independent agency, but it's going to be a while before that actually happens. What they're going to do is they're actually going to most likely create an independent arm of the CFTC. They're the ones that laid the ground.
I want to make a comment here, guys. You notice he's driving right now? I got mad because I did a live stream driving like this and on TikTok, and they removed it. I hate TikTok now. I don't have a TikTok. I personally don't have a TikTok. I have 2 TikToks. They both just because of whether stupid violations that they have these really stupid strict policies, which is fine. They got to protect their thing. It's their platform. They can do what they want, right? But at the same time, they don't give you no warning. They just say, oh, you violate our policies, you are banned, and good luck. That's it. And then they do have appeal things that you could do, but like I said, if you still violate, like, there's no like 3 strikes you're out rule or anything like that. Luckily on YouTube, they give you like 3 strikes you're out rule, but just throwing that out there.
Groundwork for a lot of the positive things that we've seen in crypto with Christopher Giancarlo, also known as Crypto Dad from the CFTC. Several years ago, it was sad when he left, but Caroline Pham now is doing a great job with the CFTC.
So what is the CFTC? That is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So CFTC, and this is the dilemma right now. We have the SEC and the CFTC. They're kind of like stepping on each other's toes on who should be doing the regulation on crypto. Well, coming to find out what BitBoy Crypto is saying is that there is a chance that we may see a whole new sector. It's not going to be commodity. It's not going to be the CFTC. It's not going to be the SEC. It's going to be its own sector, its own arm, its own little group just specializing in cryptocurrency. I think that's going to be a big plus. And it's going to be people who actually are knowledgeable on crypto and blockchain that's going to be in charge of it. So that's definitely a plus to see there. SEC Chair Gary Gensler accused in Citadel market maker manipulation. This is on the Crypto Times, guys. Here, let me put this music back on. Sorry, I haven't been checking the chat. I'm going to get back to your guys' questions here in a minute. When you play Call of Duty. We'll play on Direct Thought Feed on Wednesday. Yeah. Susan. Hey, we got first time chatter. Zelincianich. Hi, Dapp. What's up? Make sure to follow, guys. We need more followers. Follow, subscribe, you name it. Where's the crystal ball? I actually got it right here, guys. The crystal ball tells me that Gary Gensler is going to lose his job soon. Maybe. We'll see. SEC Chair Gary... No, this is not good, guys. This guy is supposed to be in charge of protecting investors, in charge of shutting down corruption and scams and fraud and all that stuff. Well, guess what? He's being accused of doing his own wrongdoings. Look at this. He is accused of shorting crypto-focused stocks like AMC Theaters and GameStop through Vanguard Groups and BlackRock, and faces a change.org petition, which I showed you guys earlier in this live stream. They do have a petition, guys. They're getting people to sign to have him step down, to be resigned, or to get fired as the SEC chairman. He's the current chair of the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. They're asking for him to step down, yeah. Yeah, so according to petition, SEC Chair Gary Gensler should resign as he failed to protect retail investors from fraud because of naked short selling and dark pool abuse by Citadel Securities and Citadel Market Makers. So yeah, guys, they're accusing that he is, he's not been doing a very good job on helping the retail investors out. In a video earlier, Gensler stated that he has asked the agency staff to collaborate with the digital asset exchanges to ensure that they are regulated much like security exchanges. So, yeah, I mean, I kind of see his point, too. You know, we do need regulations in place in crypto and for it to grow, for it to be safe. But at the same time, we got to make sure that we are doing it right. Can I see your coffee, Dapp? Yeah, guys. Here is the coffee I am drinking. This is my Javi coffee. Yeah, guys. Javi coffee. You guys can use the links down in the description. Sign up. Here. Yeah, you get on YouTube, you guys can find it right down in that description. Javi coffee. You're going to get discounts just using my referral link. Cold brew, 10% off. Look at this. They got decaf, iced vanilla cream, white chocolate mocha, pistachio coffee. They got sugar cookie coffee. They got caramel brulee and hazelnut. Hazelnut mocha. Ooh. And these are coffee concentrates. You pour just like a little teaspoon in. Mix it with whatever you like in your coffee. Sugar, creamer, milk, water, whatever you want. Mix it together. You can have it hot or cold. It's really good. It's actually really good. I like it. You guys can use that referral link. Help you be helping the channel out, supporting, because we do get referral commissions, a little itty bitty commission sent to me if you do end up getting some. Yeah, buddy. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Are cryptos... What do you guys think? Crypto's a security? Is it commodity? Is it both? I think it's both. I think there's going to be cryptos that are securities. They're going to be found as securities. And then there's going to be those... The real use case, the real utility will be more commodities. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, I would say Bitcoin mostly because it is so decentralized. It never had an official ICO or anything like that. So yeah, that one's safe. Ethereum, Gary Gensler thinks so, but a lot of people don't. I think it because of its utility and use case, it's very hard to argue that it is. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now let me go ahead and get here on the chats, guys. Nice stuff. What's up? Remember, guys, I'm on YouTube and Twitch. Make sure to join both if you could. Help the channel out. What's up? Done. Formative. Thanks, bro. Yep. How's crypto now? Everything's going up right now, guys. Maybe it might be temporary, though. Just bear that in mind. I still think we got a bottom coming here in 2023. I think we got one more bottom. One more dump. When you play in Call of Duty, we'll play Wednesday night. Direct thought feed. Boss, you think market will start pumping? It is pumping already. It's been pumping the last month. If you would this is why timing the market is so hard, because if you would you missed out on 50% gains, even 100% gains on a lot of stocks and a lot of crypto. If you would have bought in June, if you would have bought in June, right now this year the bottom was in June, and you'd be up about 2x on just about everything if you would have bought in June. So the time, that's why it's hard to time it, and you should be averaging in and hold it for the long term. Of course, I'm going to be talking about day trading today, so I'll talk to you. There's multiple strategies you guys could do. I do both. Like, I have my long-term holds on my one platform, Webull. I do my long-term cryptos. These are all my long-term crypto holds. I'm not going to be selling these for a long time. These are like 1, 2, 3 year holds for me. And then I got my short-term holds. These are, 1, 2, 3 day holds, maybe a week hold. We'll see. Oh, look at this. Hellbiz. Going back up. Oh, yeah. It's at $1.40. Guys, I had 2,500 shares. I'm down to 500 shares. I've been selling off, but maybe I should have kept holding because now it seems to be going up anymore. But like I said, I'm already up 119%. You gotta take profits, guys. You gotta take profits especially with the way the markets are now. Take profits when you can. But I do think Hellbiz could go much higher. Could be a good long-term hold, maybe. Let's see here, chart. Let's look at what Ortex says. Yeah, market cap 25 million. This is what I really liked about it. Seeing that market cap 25 million, like, that is so cheap. That is so low. Especially after it's been getting some of these news and partnerships about expansion. If you don't know what this company is about, let me give you a quick run through. So I'm actually still kind of new to Ortex. I'm trying to find where, I know there is one, or we'll just read what Robinhood says. So Hellbiz is an intra-urban transportation company which engages in the provision of transportation, specifically addressing first and last mile transport. So you guys know, like, they have the scooters, motorized scooters, that's like all over in urban areas and cities. I know there's been some, I saw some in Nashville. You basically pay like $1 or whatever, you rent them out, go from A to B, and you just leave it there, and then somebody else, whoever sees it, can then rent it out as well. That's basically what this company is. Yeah, that's what they're in charge of. I think that's pretty bullish, I think. This could be one that could do really well. I'm actually kind of regretting now that I already sold too many. Already sold my shares. Well, like I said, it could come back down. If it does come back down, especially below the $1 range, I'm gonna probably start buying some more. I might actually start entering some long-term hold buying on this. But I gotta do more due diligence, guys. Always do your research. Remember that. Always do your research. Do your due diligence. Don't have any sponsors today, really. Just gonna be making some content on Deegan Lifer, which, that is my stock crypto trading channel. This channel is kind of just everything. This is more like Dapp's, crypto, NFTs, Metaverse. I do have my Deegan Lifer channel, which I send you guys the link here. I need more subscribers here on Deegan Lifer. You can follow me on YouTube as well. Or I'm not YouTube, Twitter, at Deegan Lifer. Got 50,000 followers plus on my Twitter. Let me pull up the YouTube so you guys could start getting up on because I'm going to be posting on Deegan Lifer now on YouTube. That's my new channel. Or my secondary channel, my backup channel. I've got 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to send you guys the link here. Hey, I got one video, got over 4,000 views. Thank you. Finally got a getting some attention here on this other channel. We got top 10 high risk, high reward stocks to buy right now. So if you guys, you know me, I like high risk, high reward investing. This might be a video for you guys to check out. I was just checking the volume. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let me send you guys that here in the chat. I'll send it. Bam, bam. Might be also in the description as well. If not, I need to add it. I need to add my other channels in the description. Oh, I need to update my Twitter account on Twitch. Am I able to do that right now? It's only letting me, hold on. Remind me, I need to update Twitter link on Twitch. I also need to do that on Facebook too. Probably check the website too. I'm pretty sure I changed it on the website, but I know I changed it on YouTube. Which NFTs you guys got? I'm looking here. Is TRX gonna pump? Let's take a look at TRX. Now this is a Cryptotron TRX trading at 7 cents. Market cap is $6.4 billion. Yeah, that's what it'd be. It's been steadily kind of just going on this uptrend. Justin Sun has a lot of money. He's gonna do, I think he's gonna do everything he can to protect his reputation. I don't think he wants to be the next Do Kwon. But we'll see. We'll see. It's possible. I mean, they're they have a similar ecosystem to Luna Classic, or to Luna, Terra Luna, so just beware, be cautious of that. But it's not as... Justin Sun, basically, to summarize it, Justin Sun is a sober version of Do Kwon. It's basically a good way to put it. Coffee always on standby. You, for sure, bro. Gotta have that caffeine. Drink coffee every day for more energy. I'm thinking of buying Sol or NFT, though. Yeah, Solana ecosystem has been looking rough right now, but with that fear comes great buying opportunities. And right now we saw Solana ecosystem was pretty much getting wrecked as phantom wallets. They had an attack where people's wallets were getting hacked because it had something to do with iOS and Android. They were spoof wallets that Phantom did not, like, Phantom was telling everyone, hey, like, we are not on iOS or Android, so if you download our wallet on iOS and Android, it's not ours, it's somebody made it up, it's fake. And that's what happened. People signed up on their wallets on iOS and Android on these fake wallets, impersonating as Phantom or as Solana wallet. And they're taking people's private keys. And that's why people's wallets are getting drained. Swing trade your entire bag in the Mac. This is financial advice. Wow. Oh my, that was Mr. Canseco. Was that Jose Canseco? No, it's probably some bot. Who knows? But, I don't know. I think Solana would be a good long-term hold. For sure. Especially getting in these ranges here. Not looking too bad. It'd be cool to get Solana for $1 again. Wouldn't that be cool? Back in 2020? Holy smokes. Do you know Azuki NFT? I do. I actually do. I know CryptoPunk's NFT. Yep. High NFT Master. Check Tama token. Let's see what is Tama doing. Tama on, it's not coming up. TAMA? Here's TMA on DexScan. This must be, it's not new either, I don't think. No, it is. It is new. It just came out in August, it looks like. Price is way low, though. Needs to be listed on CoinMarketCap. Is it even listed on, let's see if it's listed on CoinGecko. Tama. Which one is it? The Tama Finance or Tama Go? That's preview only. Let's see what the other one says. Here it is, Tama Finance. You guys could trade this on PancakeSwap. I don't know if this is the same one or not. No, this one came out in June. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, help me out on that one. I don't know this Tama coin. You think it's good to buy Lucky Block? Let's see. Lucky Block? L Block. I think I've heard this before. It's up 7% today. You look at a market cap of just $44 million. Looking at the charts, it's way down. You definitely have there is definitely a buying opportunity. Question is will it ever go back up to these ranges? So it was in February when it was up at almost a penny. So it's almost a 10x opportunity here already. And you have a max supply though. I mean, this max supply is kind of big. It's 100. It's not ridiculous, but big. It's actually 100 billion. 100 billion. You guys can get this on LBank, MEXC, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. L-Block. I don't know anything about the project, though. Lucky Block. Here's the website. The #1 NFT competitions and rewards platform. Oh, okay. Enter Lucky Block competitions and get rewards. The Lucky Block NFT competition platform is the only place where you can enter to win prizes and be rewarded for holding Lucky Block NFTs. That's pretty cool. Look, they got win $1 million in Bitcoin, win $1 million house, win a 5 asterisk holiday. I'm guessing a 5-day holiday. I don't know. No, guys, BUSD is a stable coin. The price isn't gonna fluctuate. It's not supposed to, at least. If it does, if BUSD price starts fluctuating, then that's bad. That means something bad's happening. You have NFT now? I got a few. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys my NFTs because I'm on a different computer or a different wallet. I don't have any NFTs on these wallets, but I have some NFTs on my other wallet that I'm holding. Sandbox. Ooh, yeah, getting in the Metaverse. Play to earn. Sandbox. Take a look at that. Trading at $1.34, up just 1% today. You got a market cap of $1.7 billion. This would have been a very nice, good buy here back in 2020. I think a lot of these projects will be, next bull run. These are going to be some nice, solid projects to get into. Got to get this on Binance, Coolcoin. I love projects that are listed on Binance. Binance and Coolcoin. Coinbase is another one. Even though it seems like Coinbase has been getting very easy to start listing projects there, but it's not cheap. So these projects have to have money to get listed on Coinbase. And I don't think Coinbase is just going to list any just projects. I know Binance already does it. Uh-oh, we getting some spam in our chat. Make sure to report and block those. More money to come. Yeah, Terra Luna. Look at this. Dapp Center fan. Who is this? I love it. They're called Dapp Center fan. Terra Luna token. What up? Thank you for the love, dude. Oh. Shout out to Dapp Center fan. I love you. That is so sweet. They said Terra Luna token. Let's take a look at Terra Luna. You want Terra Luna Classic? I mean, we could look at both. Here's Terra, the 2.0. This is what everybody hates. This is the dark side of crypto right here. We got Terra. This is Do Kwon's part 2. This is the crypto that came out after the collapse of the old Terra Luna, and it obviously has done nothing since it first came out. So that looks even worse for Do Kwon, especially since his old project, the one that failed, is actually got a higher market cap than this one. Let's take a look at the real Terra Luna Classic. This is the Terra Classic. As you guys see, the market cap is like twice the size as the new project. And is Luna Classic $1 possible in 2025? Everybody keeps saying that this is going to go to $1 someday. I don't think it's going to. They're going to have to burn a lot of Luna for that to happen. But there is some bullishness to the side. I guess there was a wallet apparently owned by Binance that's been buying and holding a lot of Terra Luna. I can't find it now. It's on the Terra ecosystem. I don't know, maybe a good long-term hold. We'll see. We will see. I personally am not holding any Luna Classic as of right now. I am not. I was trading it though when volume was trading high earlier this year. Oh yeah, like right after the collapse, I was definitely day trading it. Made some money, also lost some money doing it. Wish for everyone watch live stream. NFTs the best way to have money. That's what people are saying, guys. NFTs must be the way to go nowadays. Even though the NFTs markets are down, they are down. Laganu, let's go. Yeah, buddy. I like your glasses. Appreciate. How's Doge? Near token, can you check? I will definitely check Near. What about Atom? Let me write these down. We got Atom. We got Near. Looking smart. Ziziala. What's the lowest token? Well, there's a lot of them. Poor connection today. I'm sorry to hear that, bud. I hate when I have poor connection, that's for sure. Trying to fix my camera here. There we go. Near, yeah, I got that written down. We're gonna look at that. Doge, yeah, we'll look at that. Any others you'd like me to look at, let me know. I think Luna Classic will be a meme coin. I think when markets go up, it'll go up. When markets go down, it'll go down. And then every once in a while, you'll probably get some hype from the community on some bullish news, and that will make it go up. So, just keeping that in mind. I think it's overall good. At least now it is. Let's see. Atom. Is this the Cosmos Atom? Atom's up. It's trading at $11.76. You got market cap of $3.3 billion. And looking at the chart here, guys, it's been going back up. It'd been nice if you got this down when it was at around $6. Like I said, look at this. Everything is up 50, 100% just in the last 2 months. But like I said, we were anticipating a recovery rally and all that means is it could be considered pretty much a dead cat bounce. But it could be different, guys. It could be different. We'll see. I'm not buying yet, guys. I'm not 100% sold on that this is the bottom. I will tell you guys when I think it's the bottom. I think we still could see one more dip coming here in the next 6 months, and that will be the bottom. I'm thinking like Bitcoin going to like 15K, maybe even 10K, and then everything else following it for the most part. Stocks, same thing. I think we could still see more pain. Let's see what Michael Burry has to say. See if he's tweeted anything lately. Get on Twitter. You guys, if you're not familiar with who Michael Burry is, he's the one who predicted the last crash in 2008. He made a ton of money. Oh, look, he has some tweets that are up that he has not deleted yet. He hasn't deleted these tweets, guys. Holy smokes. Abstain to stop the spread. 40% reported that they had 2 to 4 partners, and 14% reported to have 5 to 9 partners in 3 weeks before developing monkeypox. About 19% reported 10 or more partners during that period, the CDC said. Oh, so yeah, stop having sex. Sex partners. It's like an STD, guys. That's scary. So it's not as contagious as COVID, but yeah, definitely concerning. Seems I beat the bots by deleting. That was deliberate. Interesting. He's now saying the reason why he deletes his tweets is to avoid bots. Sorry, Michael. Bots are pretty fast with archiving the tweets. Also, I love this Twitter account, so I do have time to read your tweets back after you delete them. Yeah, there's a Michael Burry archive. This is the Twitter account that Snapchats all of his tweets. So if he ends up deleting it, you guys could still find it here in the archive page. It says the government is burying the anti-Asian violent hate crime crisis, starting with 2019 data compiled in 2020. Interesting. Let me see what he has said. Sorry, I got involved in this bots thing, because that's obviously a big deal right now with Twitter and the bots and Elon Musk. But I know what's out there. So he's saying all of these top NS trade 5X Michael J. What? Dead cat bounces. These are all from. Okay. Why is it saying November? That must be May 11th. Yeah, it said 11/5/2022. I'm like, is he tweeting from the future now? We got tweets from the future. But I'm guessing that's supposed to be May 11th. So yeah, this is what he's most recently posted that's not has anything to do with from the time I first heard this. He is a big music person. He likes his metal. So he posted about metal here. But here it is. This is on August 6th. He said the government is burying the anti-Asian violent hate crime crisis, starting with the 2019 data compiled in 2020. Asians are deleted in the Justice Department's interracial violent crime report. Started with 2020 data. All such data disappears. A black hole. Whoa. Wonder why. Why do you guys think that is? Why would they be hiding this data? Let me phone a friend. Let's get Capslade on the line. Let me see what he has to say about this. Cap, about to call you on Discord. figure out how to use it again. Oh, here, let me pull it up. Capsule. See, give him a call here. Nope, guess it's not working. I guess I won't up to be phoning a friend. Pretty sure I saw him in the chat though. Where did you buy your glasses? I think I bought them at Love's, like Travel Stops, or one of those travel stores. Yeah. Blue t-shirt looks good on me. Thanks. Appreciate it. Thanks for the love and support. Are you still doing trades? I'm doing trades on Robinhood, which I'm going to be getting more into details here shortly. Boss, can you say which coins you hold? So I have my Robinhood account here. This is my cryptos that I'm holding right now. I got LTC, I got Uniswap, I got Matic, I got SHIB, I got Link, I got Solana, I got Doge, and then these are the two that I'm most heavy in. Like, I got smaller positions in these because they're higher risk, and then I got bigger position in Ethereum, and I got my biggest positions in Bitcoin. In fact, I'm going to start doing some trade. Oh, look at this. UAVS is starting to take off here. These are the AG Eagle aerial systems. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Gaining more returns here. My average cost was $65.96. It's up to $72. Let's go. I'm going to let that. Let's see if that can carry on. Let's see if we get that to go even a little higher. Dude, AMC's been killing it though. Look at this. AMC. I did very well here, up 50% total return. I had more shares I've been selling off too. I know you guys are probably like, what? Why are you guys selling? It's because, dude, I am still bearish here in the short term. I think we still got some downside to go. I think we got more pain to come. The reason why is because we're in a recession. Yes. I know they don't want us to say the R word, and that's the reason why. If we're going to purposely put ourselves in a recession, and then we're going to try to change the name, like we're trying to say, like redefine what a recession is, then that means we got something to hide. We're trying to cover something up. And that gives me that 2007 to 2008 vibes where everyone's trying to cover shit up of what's about to happen. And then the big crash happens. So we might see a scenario like that play out. Like I said, it's not easy to time the markets either, so for the ones that you believe in, that you don't, like I said, I'm long on my positions too. In fact, I can pull up Webull here. I have positions here on Webull. These are my long-term plays. Right here, guys. This is why I'm holding long-term. I got Global Star. Got Chicken Soup for the Soul, Planet Fitness, Amazon, Spotify, Walt Disney, Alphabet. Too Simple Holdings, UAVS. Yeah, I'm actually trading short-term and long-term here, so I'm going to probably get out of AG Eagle like 75 cents for the short-term play, but long-term I'm going to be holding it for a couple years, see what happens. Meta, Open Door, IONQ, Fusix, Nvidia, or Nvidia, yeah, I'm saying it wrong, Nvidia, Tesla, Berkshire Grey, Tatron, Vertical Aerospace, and ASTS. AST Space Mobile, yeah, buddy. So, those are my long-term holds. We'll be adding more on the way down. So, you know, like I said, I'm anticipating a crash. That's why I got 17,000 here on the sidelines ready to buy up these for the long term. So, those are my long-term plays. Short-term, AMC. I might turn AMC into a long-term play too. We'll see if the price goes back down. Maybe I'll buy that in the next... I'll probably go long on AMC if there's another crash that happens in the near future. Man, very disappointed on some of these plays. Some of them did really well, though. Some of them doing really well, some of them I'm not. But I'm going to get into more details here because I'm going to start recording for my Deegan Lifer channel. Do you have a link of your headphone? No, I don't. Sorry. Let's see here. Hello, Dapp. What's up, guys? Thank you guys all for joining. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. Can't trust a person who uses light mode on Twitter. How do you change that mode, light mode? View content preferences. Yeah, I don't know how that works. Accessibility display. Background lights out like this. Or dim. There we go. Let's use dim. Is that easier to see, guys? Yo! Hey, thanks for the likes, the likes, guys. Appreciate it. So many Watt patters here. Tonk Bahi was here. What's up? What up, Tech? Thank you, guys. Appreciate you guys all being here. DAO Maker Boss, what's up with that? How did you know about crypto? What do you mean? So we already talked about the SEC. Got a few videos I'm gonna make here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm gonna turn the music off. We're gonna get the recording button going. And this is going to be how to day trade on Robinhood. So here we are. What's up, guys? How's it going? Deegan Lifer here. Going to show you guys how to start day trading on Robinhood. Of course, there are some rules and regulations you have to play when it comes to day trading on Robinhood. Of course, you know, investing and day trading does involve a lot of risk too. So please make sure you guys, when you guys are doing this, do it responsibly. I am not a financial advisor. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. So first off, what is day trading? Pattern day trading. So pattern day trading rules were put in place by FINRA. One of the top regulators were gone a step further and provided you with tools you could use to make sure you're invested responsibly. So if you guys open up your Robinhood app, it's going to show displays here. It's going to show, like, you go into your account. You go to investing. It'll actually tell you, like, down at the bottom, your day trading settings. And you guys could actually change those settings. So, for instance, if you want to just do a cash account, you could do that, and you don't have to worry about the day trading patterns restrictions being there. But here's the thing with that is when you go to a cash trading account, you have to wait. Like, you cannot make investments with unsettled funds. So after a trade, those unsettled funds, you have to wait like 2 days before you can actually use those funds again and to invest them into something else. So I've been using margin trading, and then I have the pattern day trading notifications turned on, which explains it here pretty much in detail on how to do that. So pattern day restrictions don't apply to cash accounts. They only apply to margin accounts like Robinhood instant accounts. So like you have the instant deposits where you can actually start investing right away. You don't have to wait 5 days for the process to go through. And you have the margin investing enabled. This means you could trade stocks, ETPs, and options without worrying about your number of day trades. Now you could switch to a cash account from both a margin investing enabled account or to a limited margin account. Keep in mind that if your account is a margin investing enabled, you would not be able to switch to a cash account if you have a margin balance. And that gives you step-by-step exactly how to do that. And like I said, I'll be able to send you guys all the info down in the description box as well so you guys can find this. But this is basically just right on the Robinhood's website, robinhood.com, their support page. Defining a day trade. So when you buy and sell or sell and buy the same stock or ETP within a single trading day, you made a day trade. When you open and close the same options contract within a single trading day, you've made a day trade. So it's very important that you guys do understand those rules. You'll be considered a pattern day trader if 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days. So if you make 4 or more, you're going to get labeled as a day trader, pattern day trader. And you don't want that when you are a margin account and if you don't have $25,000. Because what it does, it restricts your account. As you guys can see here, I just Googled here. Day traders purchase and sell the same stock. Here's the shows it says you're restricted. You have made 4 or more day trades within 5 day trades, 5 day trading days, and you have been marked as a pattern day trader. Due to federal regulations, you are now restricted from making day trades for 90 days. You may avoid these restrictions by raising the value of stocks and cash above $25,000. So basically, what they're saying is, yeah, what they don't want is they don't want people with $100 or $200 to be trying to day trade all day, which is kind of stupid. This is kind of like a rule that's made for the rich, it seems like. But yeah, they make these rules where you can't really day trade, and it's gonna look a lot like this. So you guys can see here on my screen. If you end up, it'll tell you how many. It'll keep track of your day trades. For which I can show you guys real quick right now. I go to my account. If I go to investing, I scroll down here. You guys see I've already made 1 day trade, FNGD, which I don't want to ever get to 4. So I always keep track of that. Even though I do have over $25,000 balance, I still don't want to try to get triggered on that because I just don't want any restrictions on my account. So my strategy here, guys, is if you make a trade, you know, I'm buying in on these projects or on these stocks. I gotta make sure that I'm getting in a good entry because I don't want, you know, in order to avoid having too many day trades at once, you know, sometimes I might make a day trade. For instance, you saw one I made a day trade because I made a stupid decision. I got out of my losses because I knew it was going to go way lower. I was trying to go in inverse on the market, which obviously the market continues to keep climbing. So obviously it was not a good entry at that point to get into that. So I got out of it. Got the day trade. It was a stupid, you know, it was a emotional decision I made and I realized it and I got out of it. But mainly what you try to do is you make a trade. Like, for instance, I made a few trades today already. I bought into AERC. I bought in some more of those. So I cannot trade out of this. I cannot sell this. I bought at 476 at 493. This would be actually a very good day trade. So if I, for whatever reason, would say the market's dump or I suspect that we're about to see the price action go much lower, then I might sacrifice a day trade for this to get out of it. But I'm going to wait till tomorrow, guys. I'm going to wait till tomorrow so that way I could then maybe sell it for a good profit, only hold it for 1 day, and not get triggered as a pattern day trader, at least not have a point added to me. So you guys see, you just wait one day, you won't get tracked as a pattern day trader. So, but yeah, so I got some trades here that I've opened up. Like I said, I got UAVS. This I could actually close out today because I made this trade on Friday, and today's Monday. So Friday, I bought $2,000, about $2,000 worth of shares here, and at 65 cents, almost 66 cents, and is now at 72 cents. So a good time. This is actually be good for me to get out. I'm kind of waiting though. I'm gonna wait a little longer. It's only 12 p.m. right now. Currently, it's got a few more hours to go. I'm gonna wait, see if I could get this out up a little higher before I start closing out. Maybe I'll sell half of my position. Maybe a quarter if I suspect it to go much higher. We'll see. But I do have some nice profits there. I might be getting out here soon. Let's see. FNGU. This is an interesting one because this is a leveraged trading. This is a 3x leverage on the SPY. So long term, this would be a pretty good long term to get into. So I think I started buying into this. This is more of a long term play. I'm actually not day trading this, so ignore that one. BBAI. This is Big Bear AI. Got it in on Friday at 275. It's at 279 now. I only nibbled in on this because it started pumping, and it's pretty high risk for me, to be honest. So I just nibbled on it, put in a little bit of money. I was actually going to maybe buy in more if it dropped lower. Otherwise, I'm going to make profit if it goes up. It's just not going to be a strong entry because I just, like, the entry's not, it would have been great to get this at, like, 230, back down here. But, because this thing actually went all the way up to $4 on Friday. It's crazy. Yeah. Some nice profits can be made there, especially your day trade. That would have been a great time. This would have been an example of, you take your sacrifice. You get 4 day trades a week before you be considered a pattern day trader. This is a day trade you probably could have sacrificed. Like, let's say if you would have opened a position on the 5th, like that morning, and you bought at 260 and it went up to $4, yeah, I probably would have sold, especially if you had a huge amount. Yeah, sold it, sacrifice a day trade. After a week, it clears out and you start over. So you guys kind of get where I'm coming from there. Redbox, oh man, Redbox did not get it. I actually opened way too large at 470. I should have only nibbled here because it's looked like it's going to go back down. I'm still anticipating there being somewhat of a squeeze action and being put in play here. But we did see it run up to $18 back in June. That was great time. That was, everything, markets were going down. This was the only thing that was going up. But now that the markets are going up, this thing has not been running very well. Let's see, you got AMC. Obviously, a lot of hype and news about AMC going around. I've been holding and selling, been taking some profits. Bought at 17. Been selling a little bit at 23, 24, and 25. But the rest, I'm probably going to hold. I'm probably going to hold again and see what happens. Maybe we get a little bit higher, maybe in the $30 range. I'll start selling more profits here. But another great day here. We got B-Big. Vinco Ventures, look at this, guys. They actually temporarily halted the trading on BIG. Have no idea what's going to happen here. Even though, otherwise, I think the chat, it's way oversold at this point. It's way low. Maybe it gets delisted. I hope not. That'd be pretty shitty. But I got 1,000 shares for $700. My average $72, $771. I'm going to wait and see what happens here. I'm not going to add anymore. I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to wait. We got GME, another meme stock here that I got into, riding the wave. Got it at $37. It's at $44 now. Again, I'm probably taking some profits here soon. Maybe not all the way out. Not going to completely get out of this, but man, this chart is just looking weird, man. Just weird. I mean, this is crazy looking. It almost looks like, the way this chart is, it looks like it's going to go way higher. It's just, but I just know, like, that's just crazy. How does a meme stock go up so much, you know, especially when it's already got a market cap of $13 billion. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll get you guys questions here in a second, guys. I'm going to finish up this video here. And I also got FFIE. Look at this. Faraday Future Intelligence. Actually, I'm probably going to be getting out of this one. I was hoping it would run higher. I got in at 258 on Friday. 500 shares. And maybe I shouldn't. Actually, I don't know. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. It's just the chart looks really crappy right now. I would hate to hold and it go much lower. You know what I'm saying? So maybe I take some profits here. We'll see. I'm going to wait, though. I'm going to wait one more day and see. We got TBLT. Look at this. Tough Built Industries. This one I actually did not do a very good trade on. As you guys see, my average cost was $7.19. Luckily, I did sell. I had like 250 shares. I'm down to 100. I did sell for profit here when it went to 730. So I got out at the perfect time. I probably should have sold it all, but for some reason I decided I wanted to keep 100 shares, see if it could ride up higher, which it might. It could. It still could. I mean, it's still looking at 3 month. Looks like we could still get a little higher price action, but I'm glad I got out a huge portion of mine out of here. Like I said, I bought on Friday, sold on Monday. There's no day trade pattern triggered. Even though it's pretty much like a day trade. Hellbiz. Remember, guys, I was telling you guys about Hellbiz. Hellbiz just keeps climbing up. Dude, this has been doing very well at this. I'm up 134%. I bought 2,500 shares at 62 cents, guys. I've sold 2,000 shares already. I still got 500 shares. I started selling at the $1.30 range. It is now up to almost $1.50. I'm not selling anymore, guys. I'm waiting to see. Maybe this could climb even higher. And then I'm going to be buying back more if it gets back to $1. I might even decide to go long and open this and hold this for a long term. If I feel like I'm going to... If I'm a believer. I'm not 100% bought in on this yet for long term. I still got to do my due diligence here. I got to research more about the company and the CEO and stuff before I decide to go long. But the market cap only 54 million. That's enticing. That's definitely enticing. I also got AERC. These are the positions I opened today. So if I were to try to sell this today, which maybe I will, I'll show you guys an example. But you can see I got it at 476. It went up to 494. Already made a nice profit here, 3-4% profit. Obviously, that's not where I want to. I'm not ready to exit out of this yet, but it would say if I wanted to, I could, but that would trigger a day trade because I just bought in today, 4 hours ago. You can see I bought 100 shares on the 5th and 100 shares on the 4 hours ago. Here's the good news is I technically could sell my 100 shares on the 5th and won't be counted as a day trade. But if I sell 200 shares, then it'll count as a day trade. You get what I'm saying there? So yeah, I could sell 100 shares now and it not trigger because I bought those 100 shares the day prior or on Friday. I also got RNG, Ring Central. Another one just bought in today. Right? Did I? Actually, I bought this. I bought a little bit on. Yeah, I was trying to buy it. I tried to buy it yesterday, but on Saturday, but it didn't work. But yeah, I did buy some this morning for $48. Bought a little more at 48 again. So yeah, 4 hours ago. These I cannot trade off. I could sell it today, but it would trigger as a day trade. But I've already made $100, 8% profit on that. Should have bought more, right? Let's see. And then the last I got BitNile. Another one up 10% today. It did another good trade here. Bought in this morning at 31 cents. It is now at 33 cents. So that's how you guys do it here on Robinhood. You guys start getting into the day trading. But like I said, guys, make sure you do so responsibly. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next one. Deegan Lifer here saying so long and adios. Peace. Boom, boom. All right, yeah, guys, I'll be posting that on my Deegan Lifer channel here later on. Let me get caught back up on the chats here. Check BTC. BTC's at 34K. Goodbye. See ya. Thanks for joining. Bye, bro. Thank you guys for joining. I'm not leaving yet, guys, by the way. What about Javi Coffee? Is he not inspired by Javi? I do have Javi. Yeah, buddy. You guys can use that link down in the description. And get your coffee concentrate. Instant coffee, basically. It's good, too. Good flavor. Try check TRX and Doge. Oh yeah, did I even check Doge yet? I haven't checked Doge. I'm holding Doge though. I got Doge long term. It's trading at 69.9. Yeah, buddy. Why is it showing two charts like that? That is weird. That is so weird. Why is it showing two charts like that? I've never seen that before. What? Oh, there we go. Robinhood. I read. Cool. Hey, look at that. That's nice. I actually didn't know they had this feature, advanced chart. Dude, Doge is way down, man. It's way down. This is definitely maybe a good long-term buying opportunity. We'll see. When will you post it, bro? Probably post it later today. Maybe tomorrow. You guys support my channel. Like and support this channel here, Deegan Lifer. You guys see in the YouTube chat, I put Deegan Lifer channel. That's my secondary channel. You guys could check that out as well. Welcome, thank you, Barrett. Thank you guys for being here. Alright, I got another video to make here, guys. One more video. I'm going to make on Deegan Lifer here. Alright, guys. Deegan Lifer here. Back here with another one with Inflation Reduction Act. Yeah, they got this new bill coming out, and it's not exactly what you guys think. You guys think this bill is here to fix inflation, but I'm going to tell you guys there is not much in this bill that is going to fix inflation. We're going to go through it. I'm going to explain to you guys why I think so here in this. So the climate bill is also a health care bill and does a few things on taxes too. Yeah, Inflation Reduction Act of Inflation bill that has more to do with climate and healthcare and taxes than it actually has to do with inflation. And I'm going to go ahead and get right into it here. So the Inflation Reduction Act would be the biggest thing the U.S. has ever done to tackle climate change, and climate making up the largest share of the bill spending. Nearly $370 billion is going to be implemented in this bill for climate change. So yeah, that's not going to have much effect on inflation at all. They're going to be incentivizing companies, giving them tax credits and rebates for hosting renewable technologies such as solar panels, wind turbines, heat pumps, energy efficiency, and electric vehicles. Includes incentives for companies to manufacture more of that technology in the United States. The bill would also invest in energy efficiency at industrial sites that could help lower the sector's hefty carbon footprint, while also dedicating some funds to forest and coastal restoration. So guys, this is not obviously, you know, I'm an advocate of climate change, and yeah, we gotta do things to help be environmental friendly. I get it. I'm into that. I understand it. But This has nothing to do with inflation. It's not going to have an impact on inflation at all. At least it will actually have a negative side pack, because to me it sounds like we're going to be printing more money, and every time we print more money, we're adding more money to the money supply, we're adding more money to the deficit, and it's going to inflate the markets. When you add more money into circulation, when more people have money, more people buy stuff, the higher prices go. So not good for inflation, even though they call it the Inflation Reduction Act. That's just one part of the bill. Here's the other thing they got here, guys. So you got climate, and then you got health insurance, helping people afford health insurance for longer. Okay, the climate part of the bill have gotten the most attention, but the bill also includes some of the significant steps on healthcare, including shoring up an expansion of the Affordable Care Act. Okay, so yeah, they got these negotiating prescription drug prices. Maybe this is the part of the bill that might actually help inflation a little bit. For years, they've been trying to vote that trying to lower the prices on prescription drugs and so forth. So there's things outlined in the bill. For Medicare, we'll be able to negotiate on a handful of drugs with those new prices taking effect in 2026. In 2026, the Medicare will only be able to address costs for 10 drugs. Over time, they'll increase to 20 drugs. The drugs in question will be determined based on a slew of criteria, including how expensive they are. These negotiations are poised to save Medicare a lot of money, since the prices are currently set by manufacturers. So you can see they're going to be trying to, I guess, manipulate the prices on drugs and prescription drugs. And trying to lower prices in the healthcare industry. I don't think this is going to help, though, overall, the inflation, especially when it comes to energy, the cost of foods and goods and services. It's not going to have much of a drastic impact on inflation. And, of course, more money for the IRS. So, yes, they're going to be spending more money on providing more support to the IRS. Yes. They're going to be investing $80 billion in the IRS over a decade. It will be They suspect they could collect an additional $203 billion, with the $80 billion estimate as an investment into the IRS to be able to have more money to buy more technology and more people and cars and more things to be able to basically enforce taxes and make sure people are paying their taxes as that they're supposed to. Yeah, closing the loophole to make corporations pay more taxes. The agreement also includes a 15% minimum tax on corporations with profits over $1 billion. Yes, that is crazy. Yeah, they're going to be increasing taxes, and then they're going to be investing more money into the IRS, so they have more money to spend on making sure that you pay your fair share of taxes. Yeah, guys, that is what is up. That is in the bill to fix inflation, folks. Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys think this is going to help inflation whatsoever? I don't think it's going to, but I'm curious to hear your opinions down in the comments. Is Deegan Life here? See you guys on the next one. Adios. Take care now. All right, guys, so there we go. I finished both of those. So yeah, I'll be posting those later on my secondary channel, Deegan Life. Let me take a look at my trades here, guys. Now you guys are gonna see me in action here. I'm going to be doing some trading and some research. So first move of the day. So here we are, UAVS. I'm up 9%. Market cap is just 58 million. Looking at the earnings, let me look at this. Let's pull it up here. UAVS. I'm on Ortex. Ortex app. It's giving me a lot of good info. 54 million market cap. That chart, it's still pretty low, guys. I mean, it's up to here now. This thing could go up to $1. See, Earth Observation Drone Global Market Report 2022. The integration of artificial intelligence in drones and imagery analytics present. So I remember I did a video way back, it was a few years ago, about AG Eagle aerial systems and how like they had partnerships set up for like Amazon and so forth. Well, you guys see this is what happened to the price. This thing went up to almost $18 from its low of 32 cents. I got to ride the wave here. I did not hold it long enough. I actually took profits here in like the $3 range. But dang, look at that, guys. Went way up here. Now you guys can get way back down here, almost back to where it was back in 2019 and 2020, which is crazy. I got short-term and long-term positions open on this one. So let me look at the short interest is low. Everything's actually really low on this. The good news is, look, days to cover on the interest loans. Look at this. It's gone way down. So what you when I like to see this going down. When this is down, that's what you guys can see the history here. When the days to cover, when this goes down, typically the price goes up. So I'm gonna hold, guys. I'm gonna hold and wait on UAVS. I'm not selling yet. I think we are way. Let's think it's way oversold. It's way close to the bottom. I'm holding on. Big Bear AI. Oh gosh. Oh look. I might have an opportunity to start buying lower here. It's at 275 again. I'll start buying more if it's on the way down. Get a better average. Redbox, same deal. This thing's really hurting my portfolio today. Look at that, down 15%. I FOMO'd a little bit trying to get into this. So what I'm gonna do is wait. I'm not gonna buy anymore. Actually, I probably should, because I don't want to sell now, right? If I sell now, I'm making a loss. Don't want to take a loss. If I buy more, let's say I have 200 shares, let's say if I make it 400 shares, I'm probably going to be able to get my average down to like under 450. So if it goes above 450, I can then sell it for a profit, but then I can get triggered for a day trade. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and see what happens. And if it does go back to the $3 range, it goes back to $3, I'll buy more. I'll double up. I'll start going heavy in the $2-3 range. So I think we'll see another squeeze-ish type situation. Like it did here. Went from $3 to $6 in a matter of 1 week. And it's just funny because AMC is just relentless, man. Relentless. Loving it. Seeing some new timers here. Thank you guys for joining. Yeah. Let's see here. We got Be Big. Still waiting for what's going to happen with that. They've halted trading, waiting for what's going to happen here. So I'm not going to add or sell it at all until we'll see what happens. Part of me wants to get out of some of these. Look at this, guys. Hellbiz is going up even higher. Look at that. Woo! $1.71. It's up 127% here, folks. Oh my gosh. Should have bought more. Should have held on. Oh my gosh. That's insane, folks. Hellbiz is on fire. Follow. Yeah, guys, I follow back too, by the way. If you follow me on Twitch, I follow back. Let me post this, guys. I wanna get more people in here. Hellbiz. I just shared the link on Hellbiz Stock Twits. Welcome, join us. We're having a Hellbiz party here in the live chat. Me? What up? When are we going to see... Dude, I got into Hellbiz at 62 cents. I made $1, over $1 on every share that I own. I had, oh my god, I could have, my total return on 500 shares, look at that, up 164%, guys. Insane. Now it's going back down. What? Could we get to $2? Go to $2. $2. Yeah, it's impressive. Am I spelling commodity right? I hope so. Yeah. I love being in projects, seeing it run like this. Look at this, guys. Man, I'm tempted to sell, but I know I don't want to. Like, I know I should. Shoot, now it's dropping. I'm already in the money, folks. Already made a ton of money today into Hellbiz. And this is actually interesting too. Look at this. Go to their Twitter. Their CEO has been tweeting up a storm. Here, you guys can follow me at Deegan Lifer on Twitter. I got 50,000 followers and growing. Here is their Twitter, the CEO of Hellbiz, Salvatore Palella. He's been tweeting, "We'll be acquiring Wheels. We signed a letter of intent to acquire the LA-based shared micro-mobility platform. The primarily all-stock deals will expand our electric fleet in our cities, enhance margins, and reduce costs." Look at this, guys. Yeah, If you guys have not been seeing these in your cities, they're coming. They are coming. This is taxis getting from point A to point B on a whole new level, cheap and affordable too. I mean, you don't need a full-blown taxi that's giving off CO emissions to get from, you know, to go a few blocks away. You got this, and it's gonna be a lot cheaper and safer for the environment and all that other great stuff, right? So that's what's up. He just posted 27 minutes ago. Hellbiz new summer partnership with Universal Picks is a fun collaboration that accompanies fans to the cinema in sustainable and safe way to release of the highly anticipated Minions 2, The Rise of the Gru. Okay, cool. Anyone looking for a ride to the moon? Imagine getting there on a Hellbiz. Or should we aim for the Mars? Ah, yeah, buddy. Going to the moon. Oh, it's at 164 now. Man, look at that, dude. That, for a long time, this has been just steadily going down, 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 down. And now, boom. I'm going to go ahead, guys. I'm going to sell off. Wait, let me double check here. Make sure I'm not day trading or getting triggered for day trade. Yeah, I didn't sell it. I bought on August 4th. Yeah, buddy. I'll sell 250 more. That's it. Oh no, I'm not buying. What? I'm selling. Oh man, should I sell? Are we at the top here, folks? Let's see how's the other markets looking? Let's take a look at the markets here. We got, looks like the SPX, alright. DIA, Industrial, dude, Hellbiz is #1 for top gainers, guys. It's gonna get some attention, guys. It's definitely gonna get some attention. Nah, I'm gonna hold it, guys. What's this? Unique Cure? Q-U-E-R. Or Q-U-R-E, sorry. Unique NV is a company based in the Netherlands specialized in gene therapy. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm gonna probably say that most of the stocks that I'm getting in are USA based, just because of all the shit that's happening right now. Like, I think it's high risk getting into, like, especially Chinese stocks. But then you got AMTD. I think this one is based out of, like, Taiwan or Hong Kong or whatever. Went way up. Newsy. This thing's down 24%? Isn't this a drink? This is a coffee company. Company engaged in development and selling Newsy brand single-serve coffee products. Check that out, guys. In fact, they have not been running much at all. It operates in Japan. I don't know, I might actually pick some of this up. Newsy. It's way down, look at that. Man, that chart looks rough, doesn't it? It's headquartered in Texas. Let me see the CEO. They only got 30 employees? I don't know. Masatoru Higashida. This is the CEO of Newsy. Newsy, whatever it's how you pronounce it. Japanese base, it's not even Chinese. Japan is on our side, folks. I don't know, I might actually, this might be an opportunity, to be honest. Might be holding it for a while, though, that's the only thing. Especially when you're seeing just it flatline like this, like nobody's buying it. Let's see what's buzzing on stock twits. See how you guys, see how I'm doing my research here? I'm looking at multiple factors before I just start aping into stuff. Let's see what the buzz is going on. Alright, we'll give this a watch. I'm in at 84 cents. Let's drop another penny. Sad. Target price 220. Current price 85 cents. Okay. Got the last bounce from the last offering. Waiting patiently to enter again. Why is this down so much? Well, what can be expected after this disaster? Should bounce after close. The offering right. Hopefully not. So that's the buzz. Kind of just mixture of feelings here. Some bullish news. Some new buyers. Which I would be a new buyer too. Any company does an offering like that doesn't deserve loyalty. Well, what was the offer? Let me ask, what? See what his response is. Of course, you shouldn't just listen to anybody on social media. You guys got to do more research than just relying on a few people with, especially, I mean, who knows who these people are, guys? Never know. What is the SPY doing today? SPY is actually down today. I'm sitting here trying to do research. This thing's gonna go up. Watch. Always happens, right? What you could do too, this is what I do, is I just nibble on it. Like I'll put in whatever. 800 is too much. Let's do 300 shares. $250. There, I'm gonna nibble on it. You guys knows I'm margin trading. I would not be able to do these type of trades if I was a cash account. Having a cat, it's better to have the margin account because then you don't have to wait for your funds to settle. But you do have to be careful because you don't want to get restricted being a day trader. So you guys can check out my Deegan Lifer video here. I'm gonna be posting up here today or tomorrow. Let's give you all the insight on that. What I've been doing to avoid getting 4 day trades in 1 week and get restricted. But as long as you have $25,000 in your balance, you actually, those restrictions don't apply. So technically I have nothing to worry about. I just don't want to, I still just don't want to get triggered, you know? Because what if? What if I need to sell out everything right now? Oh my gosh, Hellbiz is going back down. I should have sold at 170, guys. I should have sold it. We'll wait though. Maybe it will bounce here. Bounce back up. Go to $2. What you doing, man? What's up? Yo, what the hell, bro? What's going on? Oh, yeah. You guys see that? Yeah, there's spam in the chat. Just ignore it. YouTube needs to fix that. Hey, look at that. It's going. Uh-oh. Stocks, they just put an alert here. This stock has recently experienced elevated volatility, guys. It is going to get volatile here, folks. It just went up to 160 again. Let's moon. Oh, my goodness. Guys saw my little son here, so hold on one sec. Hey, buddy. What happened? I forgot. That was funny. Yeah. Oh, that was a pleasant surprise. My little boy. Yeah, I have a boy, 5-year-old. Came to say hi. Wants to play. I want to learn how to trade too. Going up. It is going back up, guys. Look at that. Let me share my links here, guys, on Stock Twits again. I want to try to get more people in here. We're going to have a little Hellbiz party. Hold up. Alright, let's go. Having live on YouTube and Twitch. Posting the links here. Let's go. Hopefully we get some more people in here. Especially while this is trending. This is ranked number 1, guys. Number 1 ranking right now. This stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. Yeah, buddy. Let's go to $2. One stream ending. I'll probably end it in probably like 15 minutes. Yeah, 167 now. Dude, I bought in. My average cost, guys, 62 cents. I have doubled, almost tripled my money here now, folks. I should have bought more. Shoulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Look at that, just moon. It is going to the moon. Let's see here. Hellbiz. Market cap 25 million. Is this updated lifetime? Because it's got to be more than that now. If it's only 25 million at the price that it's at now, that means this thing could grow so much more. It could go so much higher. My guess is probably going to say it's probably, let's see what Robinhood's reporting it. They're reporting the market cap 54.8, 25. So yeah, the market cap here is already off. So they need, Ortex has actually not updated their market cap. Robinhood's probably more real. That's probably what it was on Friday, was 25, when it was at, 62 cents or 75 cents or whatever. It is probably, Robinhood's probably off now. It's probably more like 75 million now. This thing could go, I think we could hit 100 million. How many shares total are there? Shares outstanding, 34 million. Free float shares, 24%, 8.42 million. Look at this. You guys can see the order book here. Looks like there is some big orders set for 175. Yeah, let's go to $2, guys. $2. Help this party. $121% right now. Oh, dude, look at this. Dude, it's gonna go higher. It's gonna pop. Here we go, $2. Dude, what cryptos are popping right now? We got any cryptos that are popping? Looks like Saudi Shiba Inu. I saw this earlier. That's up 88%. Wow. It's obviously a meme, though. Be cautious of that. Oh, man. Hold on. Ignore the spam, guys. I know there's spam in the chat. I'm trying to see $2 here, folks. I want to be live when it goes up to 2. But, dude, it's crashing again. Oh! What about Doge? Well, Doge isn't doing much right now. Doge is ranked 11th in all crypto. I mean, it's up a little bit. It's up 4% for the week, 1% for the day, trading at 7 cents. Long term, I think Doge will go back up. Dude, what I noticed is the top 10 cryptos is looking crazy right now. Like, you got, I guess it's not too crazy. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum expected. But, you know, you got XRP, like 6. Like, they are under tons of scrutiny right now. But it's going to be interesting to see what the top 10 is going to look like for the next bull run. Because we all know what the top 10 looked like in the last bull run. Like 5 years ago in 2017. It is completely different now. Like, Cardano was not on here. BNB was not on here. USDC was not on here. Solana definitely was not on here. Polkadot was not on here. I think Dogecoin was. Avalanche definitely was not on here. DIL wasn't it. Matic wasn't. Shiba wasn't. Uniswap wasn't. Tron, I think, actually was in the top 10, but it's not anymore. I think Ethereum Classic was once in the top 10, but it's not anymore. Litecoin was definitely in the top 10, but it's not anymore. I think Chainlink was in the top 10 at one point. XLM was in the top 10 at one point. I think Monero was. Bitcoin Cash definitely was. I remember when Bitcoin Cash was third. It was right after, it was right under Ethereum. Yeah, I don't think any of these. I think what we'll see, we'll see like H-bar in there. I think we might see Theta in there sometime. Maybe Quant. I know Quant's been getting some popularity. Aave, I think we see Aave in there at one point. I remember EOS being in there at one point. Remember Bitcoin Satoshi Vision was in there. Zcash was in there. IOTA was in there. Things change, man. So I think some of these, like Clayton, Chili's, some of these other ones that are lingering on here might be your next. Wow, Waves is a 68? I didn't know that. You got some pretty big cryptos up here. Synthetics. This one I've been hearing a lot about recently. Derivatives liquidity protocol. Synthetics, the new financial primitives enable the creation of synthetic assets offering unique derivatives and exposure to real-world assets in the blockchain. Leveraging the synthetics net pool in an innovative liquidity framework. Interesting. So you got these different protocols. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it quits here today. Thank you guys all for joining and tuning in. We will be live again. We'll be going live again here on Wednesday the 10th. So I will see you guys here Wednesday the 10th. Be safe out there. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. Peace out.